It's a time for joy, a time for tears, a time we'll treasure through the years. We'll remember always graduation day. At the senior prom, we danced till 4. And then you gave your heart to me. We'll remember always graduation day. Though we live in sorrow, all the joys we've known, we can face tomorrow, knowing we'll never walk alone. Early walls are hard for blind, no matter where our paths may wind. We'll remember always graduation day. Though we live in sorrow, all the joys we've known, we can face tomorrow, knowing we'll never walk alone. When early walls are far behind, no matter where our paths may wind, we'll remember always graduation day, graduation day, graduation
Thank you, graduates. Okay. Nindot, no? Nakamaragit mo? Okay. Learning coordinator will give us our closing remarks to be given to us by Ms. Aileen R. Mercado.
Good afternoon to all of us. Today is a fateful day. It's a day of jubilation and rejoicing, not only for the graduates, but also to all parents. Some of you, even the pastors today, would say, "Chamba lang." Yes, it's matter of chance maybe. But I know that all that we pray is granted by God. But I am thankful because we have a 99% passing rate, and that's something to rejoice for because we received the award for it. For that, we have to thank our faculty members for a job well done. For without them, who inspired and challenged our new computer technicians, they might have not made it to success. Dear graduates, I hope you learn from your experiences. Remember, think that you will become a computer hardware servicing national certificate level 2 passers, and you will not become what you always think of. As long as you work hard for it, and as long as you pray sincerely for it. To our second batch of Pangulong Gloria Scholars and Akbayan Party List graduates, I know you are still in cloud9 thinking and feeling that you are now NC2 passers. But become NC2 passers is not the end, but just the beginning of your life as a professional. You should not just make your national certificate as a decoration hanging on your wall, but you to make it a passport for a gainful employment and for a better service to God and your fellow men. It's not knowing what to do, it's doing what you know. Most people already know what they have to do in order to have more fulfilling career. Knowing what to do, however, is not half as important as doing as you know. Journeying on the path of career success requires that you act on the knowledge you have already obtained and grow from there. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is history. Today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. Cherish it. That's what Spencer Johnson said. Learning to stop doing what is working is vital in a successful person's life. You need to overcome how you feel about the past so that you can empower yourself for the future. And that starts by making a change today. To all graduates, good luck to your careers. To all parents, congratulations. To my fellow faculty members, thank you for your unquestionable passion and commitment to your job as trainer. And more especially to Ambayan Party List and more special to Ambayan Party List and Magulong Girls Scholarship Program. For without them, we can grant this kind of opportunity. God bless us all, and once again, good afternoon and buhay tayong lahat.
Okay, thank you, Min. That's all, and mabuhay computer servicing, computers hardware servicing, NC2.